So next we're going to show you how to calibrate the smart cylinders for the cams. First, you want to make sure before you start the calibration process that you go into settings and make sure that your manual cam open percentage is at 100. Because here in just a minute we're going to need to manually send them to 100. So adjust it to 100, hit OK to save, and then you can go back out to the main page. And we're going to climb off the machine here and go down to the smart cylinders. Okay, so this is obviously the left-hand cam, and just like we did on the boxwood cylinders, we just need to disconnect it. So disconnect it for a second, and you can go ahead and plug it right back in. And we're going to come around to the right-hand cylinder. Right here, we're going to disconnect that one for a couple seconds here. Plug them back in, and we just cleared any calibration that we previously had. So now that we've gone around and disconnected both sensors to clear the calibration, we simply just come over here to the cam button, and we change it from CRC to manual. And it's going to drive the cams all the way open to 100%. And you can see them both go to 100. And you can go back to CRC. And because the machine's not moving, they should go back to 0. But yeah, same process. So you want to make sure that the cam cylinders are fully extended, which is cam closed. Disconnect the sensors. Plug them back in, and then come back up here and run the cam manually open to 100%.